If you mix an owl and a parakeet, of course the owl is gonna eat the parakeet. But if you mix an owl and a parrot, yep, a parrot. Of course the parrot is gonna eat the owl. And if you mix an owl with, mud, of course it's a pig. And if you mix an owl, if you mix a bird and mud, that makes a pterodactyl. If it mix a flock of high mister or high misses, yep, flock of seagulls. And if you mix a parrot and mud, it's a pirate. But if it mix, kookaburra and fire, of course it's last pterodactyl. And if you mix, kookaburra and mud, of course it's mud. Of course the mud's gonna eat the chicken. But if you mix a kookaburra and ashes, that's a phoenix. Mix some mud and ashes. If you mix a phoenix and a kookaburra, of course the kookaburra is gonna eat the phoenix. The lamb, yep, mud. The phoenix is immortal. Lord, because the kookaburra just ate the phoenix. Dick. If you mix a flipper in mud, of course it's hippo. But if you mix a dolphin in mud, yep, mud. Dolphins are too weak.